Thank you for coming to this press briefing on behalf of the IMFC. Your opening remarks. I know you all have the IMFC.
If you model tariffs on a large portion of the goods that are traded, you take the entire volume of goods traded between the US and China in particular, 500 billion. You apply tariffs to that. You are at risk, you're putting at risk 0.8% of global growth. If on the other hand, you eliminate only 25% of the barriers on the trading of services, you obtain the same result, except positive. So minus 0.8 if you put heavy tariffs on the goods, plus 0.8 if you eliminate 25% of the tariffs on services.
How do you view IMF's role? And
all of them were saying we need these three components in order to be credible and in order to deliver on our mandate. And they have different mandates, and there are different ways around the world to organize oneself, clearly, when you're a central bank governor. But independence has served them well over the course of time, and hopefully will continue to do so.
Could I have your views on this approach, and more generally?
We will be conducting a staff monitoring program with Zimbabwe, and it is particularly appropriate that we do that expeditiously, given the hardship and the loss caused by the recent cyclone. And we will mobilize energy in order to support the authorities. I can assure you that on the principle of social protection of the most vulnerable, of inclusion, we will be deploying the principles by which we now operate. As I have announced to the IMFC this morning, a social protection framework is going to come up for discussion at the board in the next few weeks, and we will certainly endeavor to deploy social protection principles in the work that we do with the authorities. It has served them well over the course of time, and hopefully will continue to do so.
Thank you very much to the Managing Director and to the Chairman of the IMFC, and thanks to all of you.